match your mood this November on Sky Movies.
The Saturday movie premiere with share-size Coca-Cola.
When the weather turns chilly, it's time to head south.
You're an embarrassment to nature. Do you know that?
You have beautiful eyes. Ice Age, Saturday at 6 and 7 on Sky Movies.
Tomorrow, Rick Mail is going bananas as two tribes of apes go to war. A Monkey's Tale at 1:20. Our prehistoric friends return at 2 to entertain the kids. We're back, a dinosaur story. Then monkeying around at 5:15, Jack the Chimp joins a small-town ice hockey team. MVP, Most Valuable Primate. Tomorrow on Sky Movies. But now get ready for Mush Hour in our premiere, Snow Dogs.
Look at this idiot behind. Oh.
The Sunday Family Film, in association with Zafira, from Vauxhall.